السلام علیکم، آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں FCN نیوز۔ بڑھتے ہیں آج کی اہم خبروں کی طرف۔ بریکنگ نیوز خبر شامل کرتے ہیں۔ برطانیہ کے شہر منچسٹر سے لیبر پارٹی اور ورکر پارٹی کے درمیان مقابلہ تھا اور ورکر پارٹی نے میدان مار لیا ہے۔ شہباز سرور یہ سیٹ لانگ سائیڈ سے جیت چکے ہیں۔
So I, being the Deputy Returning Officer for the Longside Ward, give notice that the number of votes recorded for each candidate is as follows. Leichhardt Ali, Liberal Democrats 110. Bernard Joseph Eckerby, Green Party 258. Rahman, Labour Party 2,259. Mohammed Iqbal Raja, Independent 48. Liberty Row, the Conservative Party candidate 164. Shehbaz, Workers Party 2,444. The number of ballot papers rejected was as follows: want of an official mark 0, voting for more candidates than voter was entitled to 13, writing or mark by which voter could be identified 0, being unmarked or wholly void for uncertainty 25. The total number of rejected ballot papers therefore was 38. The total votes cast, including rejected votes, were 5,316, and the percentage turnout was therefore 38.02%. I declare that Shehbaz is duly elected for the Longside Ward.
Hey! So there we have it.
Alongside Deputy ورکر. Sorry. Very big. Your news is very good.